Hi guys, my name is Emily. Alessandra. And maybe we just started a minute late. I'm Emily from Cambridge in the UK.
And I'm Gabriel from Birmingham, also in the UK. And we're from the Roma Pontelungo school.
Oh, yes, so different Alessandra. I already thought I knew who it was.
No, that's Bisolati, isn't it? Yeah. We're at the Pontelungo school.
Hi,
but anybody else joining us, please tell us where you're from, what your name is.
Great.
Claudia.
Eloisa, hi, from Milano.
A small town.
Rosalba.
Salva from Calabria.
Okay, Rosalba, are you actually, I'm not sure I know a Rosalba from our school. Maybe she's not she could be a Bisolati student.
If anybody's at our school, please tell us as well. Not that there's preferential treatment, of course. Okay, good.
So geography, everybody's favorite subject to talk about. Oh, I met Alessandra. Hi. Rosalba goes to Pontelungo.
There are so many students.
We have 750 students, so I'm sorry we don't remember.
Hi, Vittoria from Bologna. Nice, what a spread of people.
Yeah, good.
All around. Good.
I hope you guys are fans of geography. We are. I'm a fan of geography.
Yeah. Is that cool?
No, I think
geography is
uncool,
but we find it cool. Okay, good. So today we're looking at comparing geographic locations, and within that we're looking at superlatives, comparatives, obviously, and some general vocabulary.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
I may even have done the comparatives lesson with Alessandra. Maybe.
With Alessandra?
I don't know. Anyway, I'm speculating. Yeah. Okay, so we have a geography quiz. You can use your internet, guys. You can use your telephones to check the answer if necessary. I'll read the first one. Lake Baikal is the deepest lake in the world, 1,637 meters deep. It holds 20% of the world's fresh water. Lake Baikal is in... So you must tell us where it is. What country is it in?
Is Lake Baikal in? Hi, Katerina from Livorno.
I've visited Livorno.
How is?
For 2 years ago for a job interview to teach English.
A job interview. Oh, okay.
It was grey because it was in February.
Okay.
I think Livorno in summer is probably very beautiful.
Nice. Mm-hmm.
Great, guys. So for Alessandra, not in the Amazon, but as Victoria and Eloisa have said, in Russia. Lake Baikal is in Russia. The deepest lake in the world. Okay.
We haven't taught you yet.
Good.
Okay, good.
Feel better now. Russia.
Barbara, hi.
Very
Russia,
nice.
good.
Do you want to do the next?
Okay. The widest river in the world is the Amazon River in...
Hi, Marina.
Hi, Marina. America.
No, So, Victoria, for the Amazon River, South America or North America?
Yeah. Do you mean South America or North America? Hi, Chiro.
And Catalina, it's not. Okay, good, Eloisa.
Eloisa.
Yeah. Not the USA.
South America, Eloisa. Yeah. And we have Shiro has said Brazil.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Great. Marina maybe is looking at the first.
I would assume is the
Lake Baikal.
Yeah, so
maybe it's gonna. It will give us Russia. South America. And Brazil.
Yeah. Brazil.
Primarily
mostly
Brazil.
in Brazil. Yeah.
Yeah, great. Yeah, Victoria, great. South America. Yeah.
And finally,
the highest waterfall in the world is Angel Falls at 979 meters. It is located in. And we actually are not sure of the answer. So we have a vague idea, but we don't remember the country. We wanted to wait and find the answer with you guys. So what were our guesses? My guess originally was Brazil, but it's not Brazil.
I feel like it's either one of the core. Maybe you're right with Argentina, but maybe is it North as I don't know. I'm going through all of the. Is it something like Venezuela?
Maybe Venezuela.
Maybe it's Venezuela. I don't know. I feel like it's a smaller South American country.
Yeah.
One of the Guays or
Uruguay or Paraguay.
Yeah.
There are only 12 countries. We just named all the countries in South America.
Venezuela, Shiro and Eloisa.
Venezuela.
You've been on the money thus far. Venezuela.
Okay, that's promising then.
Come on. Is an English name, yeah. Yeah.
It's the English name, yeah. Go on.
I don't know what it is.
Venezuela!
Yes.
Don't you?
Yes.
We have a million guesses. You don't get credit.
I settled on Venezuela.
No, you didn't. You were going one of the Guays.
I said, yeah. In my heart, I felt like it was Venezuela. Yeah.
But Chiro and Eloisa, that's great. Oh, Eloisa found it on her phone. That's fine. That's acceptable. Okay, so in this quiz, we have some superlatives. Can you guys please tell us in each sentence which words are the superlatives? So you just type the words. There are 3 in total. Adjectives, superlative adjectives.
Yeah. I think that was well explained.
Thank you.
Deepest, yeah,
Great.
fantastic for number 1.
Highest, good.
Highest, good. And no, but
oh yeah.
Alessandra's put
Deepest, widest,
highest.
Perfect. Cool.
Okay, we now have a vocabulary matchup. So the idea is you match the geographic location on the left to the letter on the right. So please do an order A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, that was unnecessary. Okay, so we have valley, river, desert, island, canyon, lake, mountains, and cliffs. So start with A.
Yeah, like Marina.
Yeah, like Marina's doing, yeah.
A, I seem to remember these pictures being very confusing.
I think that's right, though.
I think it's correct.
A
yeah.
is
Valley. Good, Marina. Yeah.
Yeah, well done on everybody doing the superlatives coming in a little bit later. That's right, yeah.
Okay. So B, picture B, what is that? Because it seems like it could be this, but then that's actually that one. Oh, yeah.
I think that's right, yeah. Yeah. So
good, Victoria, Marina.
Well.
Yeah, perfect.
Lake. Good.
Mountains. And I'll put in C, lake. Very nice. Yeah, good. Marina's
Deep marinas.
very quick. Good. Great.
Desert. Yeah, good. Desert.
D island.
Island.
Great. Careful with your pronunciation here. So, where are we? Here, this word is island. The S is silent. I'll put that one in. E, desert.
And we have cliffs coming from
Marina and Victoria.
Good.
Cliffs, yeah.
And the
G.
Oh no, by the looks of it.
Yeah. And H, we had, and canyon. Cool. G, river, H, canyon. Yeah, very nice. Good. Are there any more pronunciation things? Island.
Island.
Yeah,
desert. Desert. So desert, and the
Don't
thing.
look at the. Okay, you're doing it.
I'm doing it. Okay. So desert. This is a desert with a single S. Watch out for the spelling, because with two S's, it would be dessert, which is what you eat after dinner.
So
I did it. You want to maybe just put. Okay. Yeah, with the stress on
arid land.
Arid land. Yeah, good.
That's fine.
It's just so natural. Okay.
All right.
Yeah, that's great. Yeah, so it's just the stress on those two words. We have desert for arid land and dessert for sweet food after dinner.
I agree, Eloise.
Yes.
Definitely prefer a dessert to the desert.
Yeah.
E, desert. Yeah, great, Rosalba. That's it. Yeah. Okay.
Good.
Cool. So we have some opposites now. I feel like this is taking longer than usual. It's just going slower.
It's going slow. Yeah.
Yeah.
So match up the term on the left with the term on the right. Yeah, exactly. Victoria's come in quick. Wide and narrow. I think there's a lot of lag in the answers. Yes, good. Okay, so we have wide.
Can you see?
We need distance on this.
Wide.
Narrow.
Narrow.
Yeah, good. And then, okay.
Deep. We have. So actually, guys, there's a difference. Some of your answers aren't correct. Marina. Wide now. Yes, great. Deep, shallow, not low. Deep and shallow are opposites. Deep. Don't know how to
you often deep and shallow often get attached to water, for instance, as well. There's deep water, which is water where you has a large amount of is almost for, I think it's more for containers, isn't it, in a way? Do you agree?
Yeah.
Deep and shallow we tend to use for containers of things. So the sea you could call deep or shallow, whereas high and low you would use for that's good.
Got a beautiful.
There's a good illustration here. I hope it doesn't mirror image it.
Oh, I think it does.
It does. Okay, but they can see which.
Yeah. So deep Deep and then shallow.
Deep and shallow, I think, are used for concave things as well, aren't they? Concave? Do you think that's
I think
an Italian?
that's...
Whereas high and low are used for protrusions.
I know.
I
Yes,
think.
yeah.
It's very hard to... It's very...
protrusion now.
I think concave... I bet you it's concavo. I bet you it's concavo.
Okay.
High. Okay,
We got distracted.
deep, shallow, high, and low. I'm not sure. Deep and shallow.
Yeah. Okay, we've explained
and
deep
low.
and
Yeah,
yeah, good.
I think. Yeah.
In the end of the sea or in the deep?
Yes, Alessandra. In the end of the ocean, when you go into the ocean or the sea a long way, you get into deep water.
Mm.
When you are next to the coast, you are in shallow water. Just off the beach, yeah. Yeah, okay, and Rosalba's done deep and shallow. Yeah,
great.
that's right. Yeah, that's right, Rosalba.
Yeah, she's correcting herself. Yeah, perfect.
Okay. I hope we haven't confused too much there. Good.
All right.
Moving on.
No, we don't want this. No, don't.
And we don't want this either, do we?
No, skip.
Okay, skip.
Okay.
You want to take it?
Okay. So, guys, we've got some reading now. Gabe and I will read this passage, and you can listen to our pronunciation if there are some difficult words to pronounce here. You need to find first the superlatives. So while we are reading, you can make a note of the superlatives in the text. I'll read to Canyon.
Okay.
Geographically speaking, the US is the world's third largest country in size. It is 2 times larger than the European Union. Its geography is very diverse, and you can find everything from tropical islands in Hawaii and Florida to cliffs, canyons, and deserts in the Southwest. Death Valley in California is deeper than the Grand Canyon.
At 86 meters, it is the lowest point in the country. Denali in Alaska is the tallest mountain, 6,198 meters in the US and in North America. Crater Lake in Oregon is 589 meters deep, and it's also the 9th deepest lake in the world. The Mississippi River is the longest river in the US and the 4th longest river in the world.
You have a very soothing reading voice.
Were you drifting off?
I was. Oh.
Okay. Good. So we're looking for the superlatives.
Yes.
As Emily said, the superlatives to start with. Tell us.
This has become your symbol for right.
Right. This is my symbol, yeah. It's also my symbol for plurals, though, which can be confusing.
Jazz hands.
Yeah.
So where are the superlatives, guys?
Bam, bam, bam.
Yeah, great.
Bam, bam.
Very nice. Oh, so Claudia, I see it's got that ending. So Southwest actually is not a superlative, but I see why you think so, because it still has the EST ending, but it's not a superlative. It is South plus West.
Mm-hmm.
So South, West. Or
Yeah.
depending on the direction.
Depending on where you are. Yeah,
Yeah, compared to
Okay.
us.
Southwest would be in between there. At a 45-degree angle.
Naples.
Between, yeah, go on.
Naples. Napoli is in the southwest.
Southwest. Yeah,
Yeah.
kind of. Kind of. Yeah.
Right, so we can click through. So we've got largest.
Largest, lowest, tallest.
Lowest.
Yeah. These are all great, guys. Well done.
Tallest. Deepest. And then
Deepest.
longest again.
Longest. And longest.
And longest.
Yes.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. Good.
Okay, cool. So these are all superlatives. We have also, oh no, we'll talk about that after.
So now, where are the comparatives? Same exercise, but we're looking for comparatives.
Yeah, not superlatives, but comparatives. How's this taken? I feel giddy. I think Marina, there's a little.
I think that's.
Great.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's it. There's only two.
Larger.
Yeah.
Deeper.
Only two.
It had the card
and
everything.
But I think first we've got larger and deeper.
Yeah.
Okay.
Larger and deeper.
So only the two comparatives. Something to look at now, just quickly, is where we have our superlatives here, largest and deepest. We have not a final superlative, but it's in a kind of a scale. So the US is not the world's largest country. It is the world's third largest country, which means that there are two countries larger than the US.
So as a total phrase, largest is a superlative, yeah. As a total phrase, if you say third largest, that's kind of like a comparative, isn't it? If you're positioning third largest against second largest, against fourth largest, we might say this is an overall comparative in a way. This is still in the superlative form as you've written, but this entire phrase you could say is a kind of a relative comparative. I'm inventing terms here, but it has the purpose of being a comparative, I think.
Yeah.
Do you agree?
I agree, yeah. And we've got a similar thing here. The 9th deepest lake in the world, Crater Lake. So there are 8 lakes in the world deeper than Crater Lake. Crater Lake is the 9th deepest. And we
have one more here.
Oh, well, the 4th longest.
The 4th longest river.
And absolutely, Alessandra, in a comparative, we always need than, larger than the European Union, deeper than the Grand Canyon. Yeah, good.
Yeah.
While we're looking at this, there is a false friend here. So large, the adjective large, we have largest and larger. What is a synonym of large? Please write to us a synonym in English of large, because it's not the same as the Italian. I want to check that you understand the adjective. Oh, perfect, guys. Yep. Okay, good. That's correct. Large is big. It's not, so largo is wide, and large is the same as big. Great. Okay. All right.
Excellent. I think that's everything here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Any questions about vocab? Okay, so Marta, this was what I wanted to check. Wide and large are different in English. Wide means largo. Large doesn't mean largo. Large means big. So large is big.
Useful symbol, that was good.
Yeah. Great. Okay.
Good.
Doing this quickly. Okay, that's fine.
Moving on. You need to write for this next exercise 3 sentences, or
Two.
sentences, let's say 2 sentences. 1 sentence using a comparative and a separate sentence using a superlative.
Yeah. 2 complete sentences.
Yes. Yeah.
You can write to
separate
us.
ones, yeah.
1 comparative, 1 superlative. Yeah.
Also, practice saying these numbers out to yourself, because numbers, I find you need to revise over and over again. To be able to say them in fluid conversation is difficult, particularly with long numbers. So practice these out to your computer screen.
We should give a model, I think. We'll give a model so that they're not doing it incorrectly. So this first number is 4,810. So I'll write that actually out for you guys. 4,810. So you need to remember to include and.
And 10. Okay, so we have.
Oh, that's great.
Vittoria, Mount Denali is higher than Mont Blanc.
Perfect.
Yeah, excellent. Marta, Mount Denali is higher than, exactly the same. Yeah, good, excellent. Marina, Mount Everest is the tallest. Yeah. Mont Blanc is shorter than Mount Denali. Yeah, fantastic.
Oh, really good. Yeah,
really good. And we have tallest there as well. It's nice.
Yeah.
Tallest mountain.
I think it's fine.
Yeah, I think
the highest mountain or the tallest mountain, both correct.
Yeah. And we have Mount Everest is the highest mountain. Perfect.
It is. Yeah.
Yeah.
And Claudia's phrase is good. She's given us a negative.
It's not bigger than Mount Denali. Yeah, nice.
Mount Everest is the highest. Higher than Monte Bianco.
Yeah. Mount Denali is higher than Monte Bianco. Yeah. Okay. But Mount Everest is the highest. Yeah. Nice use of but as well, I think.
Yeah, good. Yeah. Okay, really good, guys. That's great. If I click through, is it going to show us some others? Oh, no, it's just an example.
Yeah.
Mount Denali is higher than Mont Blanc, but Mount Everest is the highest. Or is the highest mountain in the world. Yeah, great. Everyone's done
great examples, guys.
Perfectly. Okay. Really nice. There's a bit more practice we can do.
Yeah, let's just.
Yeah. Okay, similar. So this is a similar activity. We want you to give us sentences in comparatives and superlatives. So let's start with the islands. So the same type of sentences. You can choose your adjective. So it's good if we have some variety with the adjectives.
Yeah.
So Madagascar and Hawaii. And
practice your numbers again, guys.
What is if somebody wants to, instead of writing a sentence, you could write to us this number.
Yes.
With words.
How you would physically say.
Yeah.
Also, this is interesting too.
Yeah. We'll see if anybody
how
wants to try
we
writing.
could get this. Yeah. If you finish the superlative comparative activity, try and write out one of the numbers. Madagascar is larger than Hawaii. Yes.
Yeah, great.
Excellent.
And Rosalba, your
Everest
sentence for the other one is
highest
good.
mountain. Mont Blanc is shorter than Mount Denali. Yeah,
It's great.
good.
Yeah.
Madagascar is bigger than Hawaii.
Great.
Good.
That's very nice, guys. Okay, yeah, cool. And if somebody wants to write us that number, we can correct it when it comes through. Okay.
Go for the harder one as well.
Yeah.
Be brave. Be the number, yeah.
Yeah.
Lake Claudia. Lake Victoria is wider than Lake Tahoe.
I think wide is
I see.
Is good.
Is what? Oh, yes, I see.
Yeah.
Yes, by implication, yeah. Lake Victoria is larger than Lake Tahoe, but Lake Tahoe is deeper than Lake Victoria. Yeah, that's a nice comparative of the two lakes on both fronts with but.
Yeah.
That's really good, Eloisa.
And I like Marta's sentence. Hawaii, it's true. Hawaii is more narrow than Madagascar. So narrow is a long adjective. So we need the comparative with more. I think it's the first example that we've had of that.
Yes.
Yeah, and it's true also. Hawaii is quite a narrow island.
Yeah.
Madagascar is too, but it's much bigger.
It's chunky, isn't it? Yeah, it's a fatter island. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Lake Victoria is more shallow than Lake Tahoe.
Lake Victoria. Oh, more shallow. Perfect.
Shallow. Again, we have more there too. Being used
Great.
by Victoria.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Any numbers, guys?
Yeah. Somebody try a number.
No one so far has had a go.
Lake Titicaca is deeper than Lake Victoria. It is true. Yes, great.
Yeah.
Lake Victoria. No, so Marina, Lake Victoria is not deeper than Lake Titicaca. It's the opposite. Lake Titicaca is deeper at 281 meters. It's deeper than Lake Victoria, which is 83 meters.
Yeah. I wonder if that was just I'm looking at these and I'm starting to go insane.
Yeah.
so the grammar is perfectly right there, Marina.
Yeah. Your construction is great.
Lake Victoria is wider than Lake Tahoe.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. And finally, mountains. Mount Fuji, Mount Kilimanjaro. Okay,
yeah,
cool. Marina, that's great. Yeah. Mount Fuji is lower than Kilimanjaro. Perfect. Somebody write a number.
Please, we want a number.
Okay, this first number, this is the most difficult one. I will write for you. I'll write this whole thing out. So that number is 500,000.
Oh.
Oh, no. I make
587,000. Yeah, it's hard.
That's it. 587,000
kilometers squared.
I'll put that in brackets.
Or kilometers.
587,000
kilometers squared.
So somebody try this number. It's not that difficult, really.
No. Then we can
Someone try this
and
number.
we can do this one.
This one's better. Somebody write out this number for us. Hi, Marco.
Marco, hi. So if you've just joined us, Marco, we're practicing firstly our superlatives and comparatives, but also we're trying to get people to write out how you would say this number.
Yeah.
Which is difficult, I know, but
yeah.
No one's going.
No one wants to try. Or maybe maybe everyone has tried, and in a second it's all going to appear. Yeah. And we've done some numbers. Okay. So for the last, we only have 3 minutes. Oh no, we have 13 minutes. Yeah, good. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, good. 8,372. Oh, you're so close, Marina. Very, very close. In an English number, the and comes between the 100 and the rest. So not 8,300, but 8,372. But really good. It was very close. So we are from Maia's Ponte Lungo, Marco. In Rome, which is in Rome. Yeah.
Where are you, Marco? Yeah, so 8,372. How would you say this number?
Yeah, try again.
This one.
Come on, Marina. You can do it.
And then everyone else.
Yeah. I have an idea. If we run out of time, I know what else we could do.
Palermo.
Oh, Palermo.
You're old.
I was a teacher in Palermo before. Marco, which Palermo school are you in? Because before Rome, I was at Palermo Viale Regione. But the bigger one is the other one.
There are two.
There are two, yeah. One of them is almost as big as Ponte Lungo. So maybe someone is writing the number. Should we? And Viale Regione before. Maybe we met. Charlie, yes, I know Charlie. Charlie's another teacher at Viale Regione. Yeah. Very good. Okay, so to finish, well, we still have 10 minutes. We have a geography quiz for you guys. We're going to practice superlatives a little more. We have some questions, and we want you to use the internet to find the answer. Use Google, use your mobile phone. So we will write here, we'll say and write an adjective, a noun, and a location. And we want you to write a complete sentence connecting the three words.
So, adjective, noun, and location.
Yeah. And we want a complete superlative sentence.
Okay, so the first one we have active, volcano, and Italy.
Yeah, maybe you don't need Google for this.
Yeah.
So we want a complete sentence with a superlative. Maybe if we go back, there are more examples. Here, like this. So like this, guys, this same type of construction. So I hope it's clear what we want. We want a sentence like this. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. And yeah, perfect.
Super Victoria. Etna is the most active. Etna is the. Etna. Okay.
So Marina's done an interesting sentence. That kind of makes sense. Etna is the biggest Italian volcano in activity. We would say the biggest active Italian volcano.
But yeah, it works as a construction, doesn't it? Yeah. The biggest active Italian volcano.
Yeah.
In activity.
I think maybe we wouldn't say it like that technically, but it's
yeah, we tend to say active, just active on its own for volcanic activity. Volcanic activity.
That's
we
different.
we don't tend to say inactivity. We would say active. Yeah.
Yeah.
Etna is the tallest volcano in Italy.
Okay, so Claudia, that's really nice. You've given us a sentence with a superlative. We wanted you to use the adjective active. Let me put up Victoria's.
Marta is the biggest active volcano in Italy as well.
Etna's in Catania, yeah? I've seen Etna. So guys, if you look on the screen at Victoria's comment, at Victoria's sentence, it's perfect. This is exactly what we want. Is the most active volcano in Italy. So for your next sentence, you need to use the adjective that we give you and the noun and the location. So the next one is long river and Europe. So we want a superlative sentence with long and river and Europe. Yeah. You can use the internet to find the answer.
I wonder if the most threw people in the last one.
Oh, possibly, yeah.
Because it went in with most.
Maybe that's the first superlative with a long adjective we've had.
Somebody raised one earlier, but
it might have been a comparative. Was it a superlative earlier?
It was, but I can't remember what it's shallow. I think
Ooh.
The Danube people are going for
is
longest river in Europe.
So Alessandra, that's really good. But with a superlative, let me hide this. I've lost it now. Here. With a superlative, we always need the. So the Danube, again, like Victoria has written, Danube is the longest river in Europe. Yeah. But let me.
Is that right?
I don't know. I expect they've checked.
Maybe I was wrong.
So, and you've used the Italian name. Oh yeah, Volga. This is what we thought.
Yes, the Volga is the longest river in Europe. Yes, Eloisa, Marta. Volga is the longest river in Europe. Yeah, and Marina. Volga is the longest river in Europe. Yes.
Great. Yeah.
Perfect. Well done, guys.
Yeah. We should say with rivers in English, we always have the. So the Volga is the longest river in Europe. Or the Danube.
Yeah, you put Alessandra, you were putting the Danube up there. Yeah, like you did.
Oh yeah. Yeah, great. Yeah. Okay. Very, very nice, guys. Next one. Okay. So we're going to have another long adjective.
Yeah, that's a good comparative there, Marina. Volga is longer than Danube. Remember your thes again. The Volga is longer than the Danube. But good.
Very nice, yeah. So your next one, expensive diamond world. So maybe it's not so geographical, but to get you using a long, forming superlatives with a long adjective.
This is good.
Yeah.
Well done.
Should we add another one?
We might be able to. I think they've taken about 2.
That's true, actually. Yeah, it's not much longer.
Populous. Be a good one as well. Most popular. Yeah.
So Victoria, we want to know which diamond, that there is a particular diamond more expensive than all other diamonds. So what is the most expensive diamond in the world?
Ooh, yeah.
That's a really nice
good sentence.
Sentence, Alessandra. You can find the most expensive diamonds in the world.
In South Africa.
That's great.
Lovely sentence.
Yeah, Claudia.
That's most expensive.
Okay,
Good.
perfect. Really nice.
Super.
Careful with your spelling. So diamond with a D, but maybe it was just a little typing error. Very nice. We have one more.
Should we go with populous? Because it's most.
Yeah. Yeah. Oops.
Yeah, well done. Is the most expensive diamond in the world. Yeah, perfect. Eloisa and Marta. Yeah. Final one.
Final quiz question. Populous, city, and world. So the populous, I think, is maybe the same in Italian, but the size of the population, the number of people. But you should use the adjective populous. They'll tell us.
I think so, yeah.
Oh, 1 minute.
Used to be London for a long time.
Yeah. That was Rome once upon a time.
And Rome once upon a time, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, we have different answers. I wonder if people are checking online or just guessing. And in either case, the grammar is perfect.
Yeah, we don't know, so.
Yeah.
Populous.
Mexico City is the most populous city in the world. Shanghai is the most populous city in the world.
Well corrected, Marina, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Shanghai is the most populous. Perfect.
Very nice, guys, yeah. Okay, well, perfect timing.
Excellent.
Yeah, really good, guys. We have to stop now, but some fantastic examples from everybody, and it was lovely to meet you all. Maybe see you again. Otherwise, have a nice evening. Bye, guys.
Bye.